Today we're going to be installing a water line on an ADEC Pack 1 unit, a portable unit, and we're going to be putting a water line in that will allow us to use a Cavitron with this station. Right here you'll see there's this red hose with already built-in connection here. We will be using this connection here to install a T in the line, so it'll be a three-way, so that we can run it out and install right here where my finger is water outlet, an automatic shut-off water valve that'll look like this, which will allow us to use a Cavitron ultrasonic scaler so hygienists can easily do scalings with these units. We'll be switching out this larger tip for this smaller 1/16 tip, and this is part number PN006 from DCI, and the tubing that we'll be using will be the small amount of 1/8 inch poly clear tubing, also from DCI. And then we'll be using a three-way right here. That's the T that will go into that red line. And it's part number PN951. And so we have all of these different parts that will be utilized so that we can put together an external water port on this ADEC Pack 1 unit. Okay, we have installed the shut-off valve for the water outlet for the Cavitron onto this ADEC Pack 1 unit. We drilled the hole using just a regular handheld drill, and just enough space so that you can screw it in there. And you want to make for sure and mount it a ways down so that the cover will close without hitting it. And you can see that it doesn't leave a lot of extra out with this particular model. This particular part number is PN006 DCI. And here on the other side you can see where we've connected it in. I like using this particular part instead of some of the other ones because it's already a 1/8 inch connection, so you don't have to have a reducer because of larger sizes with the other part numbers from DCI. And so you can see I just took a small amount of the 1/8 inch tubing here and connected it into that red hose we pointed out earlier. This is the T that's been put in there. That's part number PN0951 from DCI. Works perfectly for this particular application. And then you also have to have a few of these little tighteners, these little washer tighteners on there for each one to hold the hoses on there pretty tight already, so it really isn't necessary. But it takes about 15 minutes to complete the process, and you're ready to use a Cavitron for your hygienist using the ADEC Pack 1 unit.